Alrighty, so H. Alright, so I'm putting this clothes on. Kind of tough to put his clothes on. Freak. So with the rope. Make it easier. There we go. Yep, that did make it pretty easier. There we go. Buddy closes tight. Not even gonna cap, guys. Closes really tight. What the hell? Oh, this is the cape. This is the cape. Okay. Smart. This cape goes like that. Okay, nice. I did not know that. Okay, guys, yep. So there's his cape. Call him Pumpkin Man. Alrighty. That's that. Let me put the arms in. Alright. Right arm is on. Simple as that. Same thing for the left side. What's up, everybody? We back with another vid. So today we have Gruesome Grounds, Guardian of the Gourds for our creature feature. Yep. Some arms. My little girl just came through here, tore everything up. The body. Head, torso, this part is cane, that's the clothes, hat. It's not too hard, so yep, gotta get this going. Let's put it together. Alright, so first off, got A to B. CD. B to D. What? Oh, okay. I was tripping. See, then you got EE. F. G. Cover support costume. Alright, so you put the bottom of this up here. And connect it through the bottom of the hole. Alright, you put the head on like so. You twist and tighten. And then the only things left is his hair. And then we're gonna do a demo.
Enter my realm! The winds carry whispers of doom. Can you hear them? You have entered the garden of despair, and you shall never leave. Soon you will belong to the shadows, just like the others before you.
Alright, that's all today, folks. Hope you loved them.